It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2020 F-150 XLT in agate black with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This vehicle has a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. This is called a super cab, and that is because it has 2 regular doors and 2 smaller ones. And you also have tie downs with a nice spray and liner in your box, navigation, power sliding rear window, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat and passenger seat are powered with lumbar, all-weather mats on the floor, electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, and you have a running board and grab handle, making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. And then when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and of course the menu will come up as well. So we can go through that. Let's get rid of what we don't need. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center we have a little cubby. There's your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. We can go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We can also go into the navigation, the map will come up, and then you choose your destination, and we can go into settings and take a look at different options there. Again, there's your navigation, your Bluetooth, general. You can change the look of the screen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so forth. So you just touch on what you want and then go in there and make whatever changes or check out whatever you need. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So this is right off the bumper, and this is everything that's behind us. It's going to put us back into park, volume and tuner. And as well, you've got your fan located there, heated seats for both driver and passenger. You've got AC and max AC, as well as your front and rear defrost, 4x4 locking differential, and you also have your Pro Trailer backup, and you also have an integrated trailer brake controller down below. Automatic select shifter with drive mode, and in the cubby, a couple of USB outlets in place to put things. Just press in the center, it'll close right up. A couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. There's a nice little bin there, you can take that out, and then down below is an outlet. Lots of room to put things. And then off to the side, 12 volt and 110, locking glove compartment, grab handle in the body, and you also have an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for, and you're all set to go. Inch wheels, mud flaps, black running boards, body color door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road badging, which includes skid plates, black handle extends to the tailgate, and underneath is your camera, backup camera. To the right is the LED light, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that lift gate, you simply put your hand in the latch. A nice spray and liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And your vehicle also has a tailgate step. That yellow button pulls out to create a handle, giving you some stability getting in and out of the box. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. The nice thing about these doors is they open 170 degrees. This just gives you a bigger opening if you have some large objects to put inside. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, giving you more room on the floor, and then pull the tab, it'll bring it right down. You've got this nice sport cloth material. You're seeing it's like a tire tread, and then there's slim pockets on the back of the front seat, a couple of cup holders in the center there, 12 volt, 2 USB outlets, a 110. Up top, dome lighting. Off to the side is hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper, 6.5-foot box, and it is lined, spray and liner, mud flaps, FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.